Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new collection to share with you tonight called Lighting the Way. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay friends, here is the stamp set, die set, and coloring stencil collection available now at GinaKDesigns.com. It's called Lighting the Way, and I wanted to share a little bit about the inspiration for this stamp set before we dive into the card inspiration. I was recently going through some notebooks, some sketchbooks, and I had found this piece of work that I did called Light for My Path, and it was tipped into my Bible, and I wrote this note to myself, and this was probably a couple years. I find the scripture calming to my heart, and it got me thinking about hopefulness. And what are some of our symbols of things that light the way in our lives? And that could be so many things. And it brought to me the imagery of a lighthouse and the fact that a lighthouse is like a beacon it's a beacon for sailors. It's a beacon for those who are out in the middle of the ocean. And sometimes life can feel like that, like we're out in the middle of the ocean. So I really just kind of wanted to draw on that inspiration and bring it into a stamp set collection that felt very hopeful in your card making and paper crafting. So this is a builder set, typical to all of my sets. It's got some leafery and greenery in it. Definitely has some florals to adorn this really simple, clean line lighthouse. And I really like the sentiments. Hope shines brighter than any storm, lighting the way to new beginnings. There's several people that I feel like I can send that sentiment to right now, and it would feel like a welcomed piece of hope for them. May comfort and light surround you. And I really just kind of like the idea of the waves crashing, the beacons of light, and the beautiful florals to kind of bring it all home. There's a coordinating die set for almost every element in the stamp set to help cut out the stamped images if you'd like. And there's also a coloring stencil for all of the florals and the lighthouse builder. Okay, let's take a look at the inspiration. Here's the first card that I want to share. I have quite a bit of inspiration to share with you tonight, and I will also be sharing more in video tutorials in the upcoming weeks, and I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. But this card is really super fun. So the leafery images that are in the stamp set have a little bit of an arc to them so that you will be able to create a wreath-like or circular-like shape with them that can go around the lighthouse image. Here's that sentiment, hope shines brighter than any storm. But then I wanted to share that the lighthouse is a wide open illustration. So you have lots of opportunity to use the coloring stencil or your favorite coloring medium. Mine is watercolor. And you can also embed stamps in that image. And I've done that with the florals. So there are larger florals. There's these floral bunches in the set. And I used the smaller floral bunch to kind of create a pattern in the lighthouse, kind of make it really kind of interesting and super fun. And then I used the coloring stencil to color up some of the open images in the lighthouse. Okay, here's another example of that arch that's happening and a little bit of the florals just kind of cascading around that arch. I wanted to share that in the lighthouse, I have separated the lighthouse top from the base so that you could use this piece alone like I have here. And I actually had cut the bottom of it off where the doorway is and just kind of had it nesting up and out through the sentiment, lighting the way to new beginnings. This is just kind of a really fun card. It can be really hopeful for somebody who is going through a transition in their life or someone who may be starting a new job it just feels like a really hopeful sentiment to send to someone. Okay, now those really cute little flowers are really nice as well as a cute little standalone element with the lighting the way to new beginnings. This is just really springy and kind of hopeful. We're in March. March is trying to be a little bit cold, a little bit fake springy, and this just felt kind of springy and inspirational to me. I used that cadet blue, one of the new Gina K colors, and I really love that color for some spring blooms along with a little bit of wisteria and purples. Okay, I think, I think this card might be my favorite, but I know I'm going to say that the next card is my favorite too. So the really fun thing about the waves is that they can create a really nice shape along the bottom here and kind of give you that feeling of movement. And then we've got the lighthouse and flanked with a little bit of the blooms, and it's just super cute. May comfort and light surround you. Really clean and simple, really nice stamp set builder, but you have a lot of opportunity to do different kind of coloring techniques. And I'll be sharing those kind of coloring techniques over the next couple weeks with tutorials. Okay. I know I said that this one was my favorite, but this is another example. This one is my favorite, and I left it sentiment free. And if you've been watching the last few months, I've been leaving a lot of my cards sentiment free and sometimes embellishment free for when I add the sentiment and for whatever embellishment I want to add. But I wanted to share this is the lighthouse and give you an example of how you can add. I just added some brick-like detail just with a little bit of a marker and just a little bit of a black marker inside the lighthouse to give it some texture. It's in black and gray, and it kind of grounds the whole entire card. And then we've got this beautiful leafery that just kind of arches up and around it with the three big blooms. These blooms can be anything you want them to be. I've done them in yellow. I've done them in, I'll pull the yellow one back out. Like here, I did them in yellow, and they're really kind of sunflowery and summery. Here, they're in like the purplish colors and a little bit of like a gray purple to just kind of create a little bit more of a spring kind of look, which is kind of fun. I'm digging that card. Okay, now this is a super, super fun card, and I used the coloring stencil. What's really fun about this is that the coloring stencil is not only really great for coloring your stamped images, it can be really, really great just to do some stenciling and card stenciling, adding a little bit of the stamps here, and then I did it for the flowers and just created just a different kind of look. That's stenciled card with a little bit of stamping and just kind of super, super fun. Okay, I want to bring in, like always, I have a Lighting the Way card idea sheet with 8 different card ideas on it. And I've kind of done some of these, and I've saved a few of these concepts for some upcoming video tutorials coming. And in that free download, you can grab the free download in the Gina K Designs Facebook group, or you can head on over to my website at indigojadeart.com and you'll see freebies. And every single stamp set that I have created with Gina K Designs is available, like every single stamp set that I've ever created in the last 8 years, 7, 8 years, maybe more, is up there, a card idea sheet. I also have the coordinating stencil guide to go along with this Lighting the Way so that you can see how the stencil and what coordinating stencil works with the stamps and what they look like when you use them. And here's that lighthouse kind of broken down. The lighthouse has lots of opportunity for you to color it in. The whole lighthouse, the windows, the door, and the base. It's just a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Okay, friends, that's Lighting the Way. This one feels, this collection here for March is definitely inspirational a lot, and definitely feels like it pulls at my heart a little bit more. The intention behind it was to create a little bit more hope in our lives and a little bit more inspiration. We all know that the world and a lot of things are going on, and this feels like a moment of inspiration for all of us. So, okay, friends, I will be going live this Thursday at 11:30 with a brand new tutorial using Lighting the Way, and we will be doing a really interesting watercolor technique with the lighthouse and building a really fun card together. Okay, friends, thanks so much for joining me tonight, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye now. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here. Thanks so much. Bye.